Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be checking and somewhat modifying the Chemical Guys Torq Professional Max 8 foam cannon. As you can see here, I have the lance in my hand. It does have a plastic thread lock insulated sleeve. This should help prevent any kind of stripping on the bottleneck. As you can see, we have our foam cannon here. We filled it with about 26 ounces of water, warm water, and like 2.5, maybe 2 3/4 ounces of the Chemical Guys Honeydew snow foam. The measuring cup is draining in the funnel there. So I already went ahead and removed the quick disconnect fitting here. So we have an assortment of the orifice that go on the inside. So first off, this is the one that comes in the Chemical Guys foam cannon. Filming on GoPro, so it's a little bit difficult to see, but you can see the size of the hole here. You can see like the inside diameter is bigger, but then when you flip it around, the exiting hole is quite small. Now, I do have the orifice that came stock in the MATCC foam cannon purchased on Amazon. As you can see here, and it's kind of odd. The exiting end is kind of large, but you can see that the hole itself stays pretty much true in size. So compared to the Chemical Guys on the right here, okay, so in a previous video I did upgrade the orifice in the MATCC foam cannon to help with the foam. This would be the orifice. I don't have a micrometer or else I would measure these out, but this one is rather small. It's like a pinhole. But again, similar to the MATCC foam cannon, the exiting end is a bigger diameter, even though you can see that the hole stays true from the size from the outside. So you can compare the upgraded orifice. They say it's for low pressure pressure washers, and you can see the difference for the one on the right, which is the one that comes stock on the Chemical Guys unit. Now, Chemical Guys website says that this particular foam cannon, the Max 8, is good for gas or electric, 800 to 3500 psi, 32-ounce canister, upgraded internals. They say the minimum gallons per minute on the pressure washer should be 1.4 gallons per minute, but they do recommend 2.0. So mine is only 1.2. From a little bit of research and reading and watching videos, it appears that the gallons per minute is more important when it comes to foam cannons. Obviously we don't need 3000 psi because we're not trying to blast the paint off. We're just using a tool in order to help prevent any kind of wash-induced scratches or marring. I may be able to get my hands on a Torq Professional foam cannon, which is actually rated as low as 500 psi. That would be their low psi specific foam cannon, but that also says a minimum recommendation of 1.4 gallons per minute, and they recommend 2.0. So the only one that I've seen that I can go out and purchase locally would be the Sunjoe, which I believe is 2000 psi, and it provides 1.76 gallons per minute. Once you start getting up to 2.0, you either need a Kranslow, which is over $1,000, and the Weekend Warrior is not going to purchase, or you'd be stepping up to gas, which is not necessary. It's kind of loud and all that. So I'm going to put up on the screen which orifice I have in this particular foam cannon, and we'll check the results. With a few small tweaks, you can have a lower PSI and lower gallons per minute pressure washer and still get the same results. So for another detailing video, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.